Hi all, thanks for watching today this little short video that we put together. We're thinking about making a video like this every Friday, giving you some advice on what to look out for and what to avoid when investing in properties. Today's video will be about how to make sure that the partners that you use or the people that you use in your team are really beneficial to your team and to your investments, rather than them just looking out for their own pocket. The video comes from personal experience we had today. Members of, or should I say former members of our website from the piu.co.za, that went behind my back with a property that we sourced. Like all of the properties that you guys see are way below market value. Everything's negotiated with the sellers already. They went behind my back after promising me that they will take a certain property, trying to negotiate a lower deal, which is impossible. The properties that we put out there already are at the lowest possible price that they can be bought. I need to stress that the properties we get is not as simple. A lot of people think it's simple to quickly get a property, a distressed property, and buy it and then sell it again. The process behind the scenes, from where we start negotiating with these selling clients up until the point where we present these properties from you, is a massively intricate process and a delicate process. You need to convince people to sell a property that they emotionally do not want to sell, but physically they cannot keep the property anymore. And all of you, well, most of you know that the properties that we send out for investments that we give to you guys is at a good price already, so it can't get any lower. We had the unfortunate situation, like I said today, where two guys made promises on a certain property, and when they got to the attorney's office trying to sign the documents, they put in a ridiculous counter offer, coming up with a lot of stories about why this and where that, which frankly doesn't matter. It doesn't make sense. Bottom line of today's little video is, don't be stupid. Don't burn bridges. Don't go behind people's back. Building a property empire is not something that's going to happen overnight. It's a long-term process with very well-founded long-term relationships that everybody needs to respect and upkeep. Yeah, we're going to try, again, all of the YouTube stuff that's going to come on is as a direct result of COVID-19. We will try and put up as much content as possible. This unfortunate incident that happened, again, I'm not going to see it as a negative, seeing it as a positive and building on that. Every Friday we'll put out a little video, a Friday rant, just saying some of the things that happened in the week that could be potential pitfalls for you guys to look out for. If there's something that you want me to discuss, or you want to comment down below with something bad or a bad experience that you had with property investment, put it out there so that everybody else can see that and also learn from that. My whole idea behind this project will always be education. I'll never claim to be the one that knows everything, and education is always going to be the first thing when it comes to the service or the information that we provide. Stay safe, everybody out there. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel so that you know every time a new video is uploaded, and you can also join the live discussions as soon as we have them. Cheers, everybody.